Hello and welcome to my first real video on YouTube. Today I will tell you the basics of METAR, the pilot's weather forecast. If you like this video, I will make a part 2 about TAF, which is another kind of weather forecast. Let's start. A METAR contains wind, visibility, cloud coverage and heights, temperature and dew point, and altimeter setting. Here I got an example from my local airport, Aalborg Airport. If you see METAR, it is just a routine report. If you see SPACY, it is a special report which is used when a rapid weather change or critical information necessitates, then a new weather report will be issued immediately. The next is the airport's ICAO. Echo Kilo Yankee Tango is Aalborg Airport's ICAO. The next is days, hours and minutes in Zulu time, which you maybe know as Greenwich Minute Time. And here in the example you've got the 13th day at 11:20. But remember, local time can be different. For example, here in Denmark we got Greenwich Mean Time +1. But because of summertime, Greenwich Mean Time is +2, so that is actually 13:20 local time. The next is the wind direction and speed. Here the wind is coming from 330 degrees with a speed of 11 knots. It's very important to remember that the wind is coming from 330 degrees, so the wind goes 150 degrees, as you can see on the compass. The next thing is the visibility, the greatest distance that can be seen throughout at least 180 degrees of the horizon, and it's reported in meters. And at a distance greater than 10 kilometers, they just write 9,999 meters. That's why. The next thing is cloud cover. Here you can meet 5 different types of cloud cover. Few means the cloud layer covers 2/8 of the sky or less. Scattered means the cloud layer covers 3 or 4/8 of the sky. Broken means the cloud layer covers 5, 6 or 7/8 of the sky. And overcast means the cloud layers covers 8 out of 8 of the sky. NCD, as in the example, means no clouds detected. If you get one of the first 4, there will be a value. For example, broken 120 means broken clouds with their start in 12,000 feet or flight level 120. The next is temperature and dew point in degrees Celsius. In the example, the temperature is 7 degrees Celsius and the dew point is -7 degrees Celsius. If there is an M right in front of a number, it is negative. The last is the altimeter. Some countries uses A and some uses Q. A indicates inches of mercury and Q indicates hectopascals. In this example, the altimeter is 1016. So let's take another example from Amsterdam's airport. You first see it's just a routine report from Schiphol Airport, which is Amsterdam's airport. It is valid from the 13th day in the month at 12:25 Zulu, which is 14:25 local time in Holland. The wind is coming from 040 degrees at a speed of 16 knots. The visibility is greater than 10 kilometers. There are broken clouds starting from flight level 037 or 3,700 feet. The temperature is 8 degrees Celsius and the dew point is 0 degrees Celsius. The altimeter is 1025. To find the METARs, you can look at windy.com. You can just find the airport you want to see the METAR for, and then you can get it in raw mode or explained so you can train what it means. And if you fly Flight Simulator, you probably are familiar with SimBrief. When you make a new flight and check the briefing, you can check the whole flight plan. And when you look through it, you will find the airport WX list, as you can see at the picture. Here you can find the METAR for your departure, destination, and your destination alternates. For every one of them, you can see the METAR and TAF. TAF is a forecast for a set of number of hours ahead, and METAR is the actual weather right now. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more content like this, please subscribe. And if you got any ideas for a future video or some questions for this video, please tell me in the comments. Bye bye.